The Agricultural Catchments Programme is concerned with the evaluation of Nitrates Directive regulations in Ireland. More specifically, the Government has been asked to review the benefits of the regulations on water quality. As phosphorus is considered to be detrimental to water use and ecology, this nutrient is also included in the regulations. The regulations are primarily concerned with limiting the use of phosphorus and nitrogen, both in terms of amounts and in terms of when they can be used. In practice, this places limits on, for example, stocking rates, slurry spreading periods, slurry storage and handling, fertilizer use, soil nutrient use and ploughing periods. These measures are all designed to manage nutrient sources that limit the amount and timing of nutrient exposure to rainfall, but balancing this with the needs of a modern agricultural economy. Other regulations, such as the surface water and groundwater regulations, are designed to monitor the state of water bodies that may be impacted by nutrient losses from agricultural land, urban centres, or wastewater treatment plants. These regulations are concerned with the impact of nutrients that have been delivered from catchments, either in land runoff from rainfall, or from discharge consents or pollution episodes. This process from source to delivery to impact is the framework in which the Agricultural Catchments Programme is undertaking its common experimental evaluation in 6 river catchments. For our purposes, this nutrient transfer continuum is important as it shows the links between land and water and can also disentangle the impact of other nutrient sources and impacts, such as wastewater treatment plants and the extreme variation of weather patterns such as droughts or floods. At the source end of the continuum, Teagasc scientists and advisors are monitoring nutrient use and status on at least farm level, but also down to individual fields. This information can also be used to provide nutrient management plans for farmers. The intention here is to provide the information that indicates the level of nutrient use and management within the nitrates regulations. At the delivery end of the continuum, the programme monitors water and nutrients at river sites where weirs have been constructed and chemical analyzers installed. Nutrient losses in rivers are all about the process of medium to high flood events, where water flows across or just under the soil surface and carries soil, phosphorus and nitrogen with it. The analyzers are designed to capture as many of these flood events as possible. Somewhere between sources and delivery, certain water pathways through the landscape are important, and often these are considered endpoints in themselves where an impact can occur. Groundwater is the main example where nitrates in particular can impair drinking water quality. The programme has over 40 monitoring wells in 3 of the catchments in landscapes where nitrate would be considered a risk and where soils are free draining. These are monitored at least once per month and compared with standards set by the World Health Organization. Ultimately, impact in river systems is related to the measurement of ecology such as plant and invertebrate species. There is still an underlying question about whether the nutrients delivered in flood events have a controlling impact on river ecology, as they do in standing water bodies such as lakes, or if it is controlled more during low flow periods when agricultural sources can be disconnected. The programme is generating the information to help understand these processes in both river and lake systems to make sure that the Nitrates Directive regulations have a fair and thorough evaluation.